India has hundreds of palaces in its territory. The buildings have lots of decorations and ornaments which give them a magic look. These palaces were the Maharajas' houses who were the kings of the country. Most of these buildings were surrounded by terraces, beautiful gardens, and lakes or fontaines. The activity that we will do consists of doing an Indian palace on a clay slab. The materials that we need are a piece of clay, a clay tool, a roller pin, a stick, blue paint, a brush, liquid glue, and a cardboard or wooden surface. We will start rolling out the clay to get a 1 centimeter slab. Then, we want to draw an Indian palace on the slab using the stick. Keep in mind not to draw it too small, otherwise we won't be able to draw the details easily. You can either create and design your own palace or copy the ones that we have seen in the previous pictures. Once drawn, we will carefully cut the silhouette using the tool that looks like a knife, trying not to damage the palace. Once cut the palace, you can redraw or retrace the details if you want. Then you can add some volume on the details with some pieces of clay. For example, we did it like this. Once we are sure that the clay is dry, we can paint some details with the blue paint. To finish, we can stick our palace on a surface using the liquid glue. Now we have our own palace done and framed.